One of the most common questions being asked to me on a daily basis is, "Hi doc, I have dark spots on my skin. How do I get rid of them?" Now in this video, I'll be showing you the ultimate guide to removing your dark spots on your skin in just 7 easy steps. However, before we continue with the video, ladies and gentlemen, we highly recommend you to click the subscribe button because it pushes more videos like this to someone like yourself. Great day, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and welcome to Skynfyx, the platform whereby we educate you everything regarding skin and skincare. Now in this video, I'll be showing you the ultimate 7-step skincare routine to get rid of your dark spots. But first, let's understand why the dark spots appear so that we know how to actually get rid of them. And there are many different types of dark spots, or otherwise called hyperpigmentation. However, the few of the most common dark spots that we see on a regular basis is something called PIH, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, typically occurring after a trauma on your skin. Either it's from a skin infection, something like acne, could be some sort of sunburn or chemical burns on your skin, or even heat burns when you're cooking and then you get splattered by oil, or you accidentally pick your skin, scratching it, causing redness. Another type of hyperpigmentation, fairly common, usually occurs with age. And as you get older, hyperpigmentation appears on the skin due to sun damage or due to melasma. Now there are many causes of why dark spots occur on your skin. The first one is actually genetics. For dark spots that occur due to age, the older you get and the more sun exposure you get, the more dark spots appear. However, genetics also play a separate role whereby if you're dark skin and you have any sort of trauma on your skin, the chances of getting PIH is rather high. Other causes could be improper skincare routine, hormonal changes, or inflammation on your skin. Now let's start off with the 7-step skincare routine to get rid of your dark spots. The first is to cleanse. Cleansing is an important step because it strips away all the dirt and the sebum from your skin, preparing your skin for the next step. First up, you need to choose a proper cleanser for your skin. One of the ways is to determine what skin type you are. If you're a dry skin type, you need to use a cleanser which is not too harsh. However, if you have an oily skin type, you need to use a cleanser with salicylic acid to strip away the excess sebum. And at the same time, if you use a lot of makeup, you need to double cleanse. You typically using either an oil cleanser or a micellar water cleanser. Now, the proper ways of using cleanser is during the evenings after a long day from work or school. You should always cleanse your skin the first thing when you get home. Put a little bit of water on your skin, make sure it's damp. Apply the cleanser to your palms and then apply it to your skin. Go in gentle rubbing motions, circular motions, as this will slowly gently massage the cleanser into your skin, lifting up the dirt and the sebum from your skin as well. Repeat this particular step for roughly 1 to 2 minutes so that you get a thorough cleansing. Now after you've cleansed your skin, if you're using a cleanser, you should rinse it off with warm water or room temperature water. But if you're using just micellar water, you can leave the cleanser on. Now step number 2 is to exfoliate. Exfoliate is a crucial step to reducing the dark spots on your skin. Exfoliation removes or lifts up the dead skin cells from your skin, exposing a younger looking skin at the bottom. The reason why exfoliation is important is because when you have dark spots, you have melanin deposited to the top layer of your skin, otherwise known as the epidermis. Now the way to reduce or to remove melanin that's already available on your skin is to exfoliate. You can definitely wait for the natural exfoliation process, which takes anywhere between 14 to 28 days. However, you can always speed it up with an exfoliator. If you're suffering from dark spots, my go-to exfoliators are typically alpha hydroxy acids, namely lactic acid, glycolic acid, or you can even use mandelic acid. The reason why alpha hydroxy acids are preferred is because they are gentle on the skin when they exfoliate, but at the same time, they target the dark pigmentation on your skin. Glycolic acid targets the bonds in between your skin cells, disrupting that particular bond and offers a gentle exfoliation. Typically, I prefer a chemical exfoliator compared to a physical exfoliator. The reason being, physical exfoliators can be a little bit harsh if you have sensitive skin. Chemical exfoliators, on the other hand, offer a more consistent exfoliation process without injuring your skin. Typically, exfoliators come in the form of toners. So the way to do it is right after you've cleansed your skin, you apply a toner onto a cotton pad and gently rub on your skin. Rub it once or twice and that is typically sufficient. Now most toners are leave-on toners, you do not need to rinse it off unless stated otherwise. Step number 3 is to treat your skin. Now, after you've cleansed your skin and lifted off the dead skin cells on your skin is now prepared to be treated. Treatments are targeted for dark spots, so always choose an active ingredient that targets dark spots, namely vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, niacinamide, or kojic acid. Now, the difference between the few is how serious your dark spots are. For dark spots due to PIH, you could always opt for vitamin C or niacinamide. However, if your dark spots are due to sun damage or melasma, then you need to opt for something stronger like alpha-arbutin or kojic acid. Now, if you have a prescription from your doctor, you can even go one step further and use hydroquinone, which is the gold standard for all dark spot treatments. Apply a little bit of dark spot treatments over the areas that require treatment and nowhere else. And typically, this is a leave-on treatment. You leave it on your skin without rinsing it off. You can treat your dark spots typically once to twice a day. Before I continue with the video, I would like to know if any of you have ever used vitamin C before. Let me know in the comments below if you're still using vitamin C, if it works on your skin, and which brand do you recommend. Step number 4 is to hydrate your skin. A well-hydrated skin is a radiant skin. Not only do you want to treat your dark spots, you want your skin to have this natural glow. And to achieve a natural glow, typically is due to more hydrated skin. If your skin is dry, it typically looks dull. And if skin is too oily, it can look even darker. Choose a hydrator that is right for your skin. If you're suffering from dry skin, choose a lotion-based hydrator. If you're suffering from oily skin, you can choose an oil-free cream. Now, whatever the hydrators, doesn't matter, you need to use it twice a day. Step 4 is to protect your skin. One of the main culprits for dark spots is UV rays. UV rays can exacerbate the dark spots that are already available on your skin and even create new ones. So the way to prevent future occurrence of dark spots is to use sun protection. Choose a sun protection anywhere between SPF 35 to 50 with a PA 3+ to 4+. Apply your sunscreen at least once a day, and if you can, reapply it in the afternoons. And if you're exposed to more UV rays than usual, you can apply it once every 2 hours. Step number 6, nighttime treatments. Now, despite having spot treatments for your dark spots, you can increase the effectiveness of your dark spot treatment by doing a nighttime treatment. For nighttime treatment, I highly recommend either to use an alpha-hydroxy acid or my favorite, retinol. The function of retinol is to increase cell turnover so that the new skin is exposed. Increased cell turnover equals lesser dark spots equals a healthier skin. If you're new to retinol, I highly recommend the 1, 2, 3 steps. Now, what are the 1, 2, 3 steps? Step number 1 is to use the retinol once a week for the first week. Step 2 is to use it twice a week for the next 2 weeks. And after that, you can use it 3 times a week for next 3 weeks. After that, you can opt to increase the frequency of retinol if you want to see quicker results. Or if your skin is irritated, you can actually reduce the frequency or even keep it at 3 times a week. However, remember, retinol is a nighttime only treatment. And step 7 is the most important of all: consistency and patience. Rome isn't built in a day, and likewise, a healthy skin takes time. So if you want to reduce that dark spots on your skin and achieve a nice radiant glow, give your skincare routine anywhere between 2 to 4 months for you to see significant results. So in conclusion, the 7-step skincare routine is highly effective to treat dark spots. The first is to cleanse, second is to exfoliate, third is to treat, fourth is to hydrate, fifth is to protect, sixth is for nighttime treatments, and 7, and last of all, consistency and patience. That brings us to the end of the video. Let me know in the comments below if you have ever tried this particular 7-step skincare routine, and let me know the results of them. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell button because we release new videos on a weekly basis. That's it from me. I'm Dr. Ingky, your digital skin doctor, and always remember to stay safe, stay healthy, and most importantly, stay informed. Are you tired of wasting time and money on your skin, but nothing works? We are here to help. Skynfyx is a platform that provides personal care education completely free. Skynfyx is run by skin doctors and skincare experts. You can chat and consult with our skin doctors without ever leaving your home. Other than free advice, Skynfyx also provides tailor-made solutions for your skin problem with customized medical-grade skincare delivered right to your doorstep. Skynfyx, your digital skin doctor.